Now this is how you can add a text in a Capcut on your iPad, and let's talk about it. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you click on the red subscribe button below and you're not going to miss anything important. Basically, when you open up your Capcut projects, as usual, we have the ability to click on the text button below. Just make sure you don't have any clip selected, because when you have some clips like that, the buttons below change, right? So make sure you don't have any clip selected, and there you should see the T icon for adding text. So you can click on it and you can like generate captions and whatnot, but when you click on the add text with the A plus icon, you will have the ability to enter your text, type in whatever you want to be part of that text, and you can of course also change the style. You can make some different effects be applied to the actual text or whatever. Obviously, you can also move it around the frame, you can resize it. So there are plenty of options, but this is the most basic way of like adding the text. As I said, there are things like stickers or even auto-generated captions for your clips based on the audio, which is a little bit more advanced, but some regular text adding can be done like this. So if it worked, hit the thumbs up on the video to let me know about that. And if you want to see more videos and quick, straight to the point guides like this one, stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important.